What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I had to stop by the store real quick, grab me a little bit of energy, try to mess with the Harley a little bit, at least do an oil change and knock out a couple little things like as you guys can see over there. Got to replace that door handle. Did replace the driver's door handle already. If you have a Harley or a Lightning that has the chrome handles, they tend to break often. I know that the only real solution is to get the JC Customs billet handles. One of them was already broke, so I ended up buying the pair from LMR. Replaced the driver's side, it wasn't too bad. Replaced the passenger side later on. But I'm gonna head over to AutoZone and go pick up some oil. Take you guys with me. Pretty clean C6 over there. Got my two helpers right here. They're gonna be helping doing the oil change on this one. Motorcraft and Mobile One Oil is my go-to on all our vehicles. Excuse the engine bay, still a work in progress.
What are we gonna do?
I already told you what you're gonna do.
What?
You're gonna remove that bolt.
This bolt, so we can shoot out.
Yes, ma'am. Teaching these guys so they don't have to pay over $100 for an oil change. And you know it's done right. Looks like we sprung a leak. Leaking. Ooh, that oil is dirty. First oil change on the Harley. Got it. Make sure that that pan is in the center of it. Alright, so new filter going on. It's a little dark. You're gonna go the opposite way, Bubba. There you go. Good job. Put that one on pretty snug, and then I'll go over there and tighten after you. Probably have to grab that rag. Jade abandoned us already, right, Aunt? So what you've done is you drained the fluids already, so there's no oil in the truck. And next you're gonna go ahead and put the new fluids in. Got the liquid gold going in. Alright, got that one all poured. Topping it off, letting it all get in there. Yeah. So I'm dropping the cap back on. Gonna pull your dipstick out. You're gonna catch the bottom of it with that, with the rag. So you're gonna drip it everywhere. So put this close to it.
Think with your dipstick, Jimmy.
Put it all the way up. We're gonna check the oil level. Alright, our fluid level is good. Good to go. Good job, Bubba. First oil change. All good. Go ahead and fire up. Yep. Sound good? Dirty engine bay. We will be working on this ASAP, man. Get it all cleaned up. Harder. Happy birthday, dear Gigi. Alright, everyone. It's been about a week since I last recorded. Had a couple things going on, like you saw. My daughter's birthday, we got that together, celebrated that. Appreciate everyone Was able to make it, but we're finally gonna get around to swapping out this broken door handle. This is the LMR door handle. These are for the they're all your lightnings. You can put these in, but Harleys and lightnings, like I stated earlier, tend to break and end up with this as a result. Now, this one still functions, but my wife has been getting on me to replace this, so that's what we're gonna do here. You really don't need any tools right now. You know, you can pop this piece off right here and disconnect these connectors down here, and there are some screws on here. The Harley is a little bit different from the lightning, but these are the things that you can go ahead and pop off right now. You'll need a screwdriver, and then once I get around to it, I'll let you guys know what size socket you need. There's two connections to disconnect. The driver's side has the controller for the side mirrors. We already got those unscrewed. There's a couple screws at the bottom. So now we're just gonna lift up on it. Bolt right there. You can use a 7mm or a 9/32 socket. Go ahead and pull it off and stick it in the back, because I don't know if you guys can see it. It's starting to sprinkle and I'm trying to hurry up. I was getting wet, so I went ahead and closed the door. Stock speakers, those will be changed in the future. But here we go. We have a 6mm right here that just holds this in place. Get that off for y'all. So now that bolt is taken off, you're going to slide it forward. I put the phone down, but yeah, you're gonna slide it forward. This is how the back looks, how it attaches, and this little setup. And you're just gonna swap it out with the new one here. I'll swap that out real quick. Kind of hard trying to record and do this, but you're gonna pop this piece up like so, and you're going to pull, let's see, that little piece out, just like that, and then repeat the process and pop it in place here. Alright, so that's on there. Just leave it on there and slide it back. And that's all done. The driver's handle. Just repeat everything in reverse. Pop the door back on. I'm gonna put the bolts back in. Make sure you connect these connectors and you're all set. And just like that, good as new. No big deal. Go ahead and get ready to wrap this video up. Stay tuned for the following videos to come. We did get a BLHOC TX2K cruise together, so we will have, I'm hoping at least, you know, anywhere from 8 to 10 trucks joining us. Looking forward to that one. That one should be a banger. Gonna have all the trucks out. Have a couple more things I want to do to the Harley out there. Not sure if I'm going to be able to do those or not. As always, I appreciate you guys who stayed and watched this whole video. You know the drill. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Notifications on so that you can know when we do drop a video. And we're going to see you guys on the next one.